hope you shall be fine. So this is the booking.php file which is displaying this page. Oh, where it is? This page. Right now there was a map. Sorry about that. So this is the map section and this is the other page, other area. Right now the map has gone because I have changed the files. Okay. Now, as you can see that this section, the page is inside a section, all of it. So header is being applied here, and then the page. Now, this section goes at the end of the page as well. So, but you can see that inside this section, style tag is being applied, which is not at all good coding practice. This style tag should have been in the header, or if you want to apply inline style, you should have styled it inside here along with like this style background. So I'll remove this as well. So now here is the page content area. After that, above this page content area, yeah, he's loading a lot of scripts in here. This is the Google Maps API type. This is the JavaScript, and again the styles are being applied inside the section, not in the header area. Or you could have separated them in another style sheet. Now the most difficult thing to understand is right now we are applying header here. Get the header.php file. Header.php file contains all the meta information, all the title of the page, the links to include the other files, etc. But if you can go down here, you can see these things are again being applied, and I do not know why are these being applied again. You can see the meta tags are also being applied, but then if you are applying it all here, what's the purpose of header.php? Secondly, how are you applying this information inside the body tags, inside the section tag, within the body tag? This all information is supposed to be in the header file. So as you can see, I have to remove most of it. Secondly, if this is the css is going on. Now css was written inside these tags. I do not know why he had to end this tag here when he's again applying the css here. So I removed some of the css between this tag and I placed it in a new file called booking.css. As you can see here, I have added this site here, but now I think this is not the place to add here. I'll just copy it in the header file. One thing I want you to know is that if you can see, this is the pack dash container. Its background color is white, its position is absolute, its z-index is 0. But the style that I already copied from here within between these tags is also the same as this. So one style is being applied multiple times. So as you can see, pack container, background color of white, position absolute, again z-index and 1000. So I'll have to first copy and compare this CSS code again and again to check if I'm applying it multiple times or not. So this is the current situation of the file right now, and it does not look so good. I have to first copy it all of these link as a backup here somewhere here on my desktop. Then I'll remove them one by one to see if the page gets affected or not. Then I'll try to add them in PHP like these, so that we do not get to add all of the extra files in all the other pages, because if I include all of these in the header file, header.php, then they will be loaded on all the pages, and we do not need every file to be loaded at in every page. So wish me luck. I'll try my best to do it all within 2 days, because the main part that takes time is pushing the changes from here to online, and then uh, clearing the memory cache of the browser, and then again log in to check if one or two lines of code are working or not. So I'll try my best. Bye.